Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. This is a twin flame soulmate reading for twin flames and soulmates that are in separation and no contact. I do have another playlist for twin flames and soulmates in contact, even if it's just a little bit, and they will be coming into union. That's the energy that I channel. So if you're not sure where you fit, you might want to watch both and see what resonates for you. It is timeless, it is not gender specific, and it's only your energy. And remember to check the description box below for information on my private services. My WhatsApp number and email address is down there. I have put specials out on my Facebook and Instagram. You can find them there. My links are below. Just get hold of me so that I can help you. And remember to like, share and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, guys, so I can improve my channel for you. So please help me get there. And yes, I think that's all from me. Let's see what's happening, Capricorn. First card that came out for you was the Temperance. And Temperance is about balance. It's about balance between the masculine and feminine energies. But it's also about the ability to control temptations. I don't read reversals in the bonfire deck, so I am picking up on the reversed energies here, which is you being unable to control your temptation towards your twin flame or soulmate. You do want to bring a balance in this connection. You do want to melt that ice in that glass. You see there's a sun over there pouring warm wine into this glass of ice. So what's going to happen here? The content of this glass is going to change. The ice is going to melt, and the warm wine is going to cool down a little bit. So it's going to be something completely different in that glass eventually. So this is what I feel that you are trying to do here, is you're trying to find a way to pour some heat and warmth and passion and desire into a situation with your twin flame or soulmate that has gone absolutely ice cold. There's obviously separation and not communication, so it's gone as cold as ice. And you are trying to find a way with your intuition, I feel here, to actually change the content of this connection completely. This is really beautiful energies, actually. It's I feel a lot of intuition going into this, and you trying to find a way. I feel that trying to find a way to actually change the situation here and bring a balance in this connection again. I feel a very blocked energy, so that might be why you are trying to find a way. You might be blocked completely from making any kind of contact with your twin flame or soulmate, or there might be a big emotional block here that you are trying to figure out how you can actually change the situation here and bring a balance. You are feeling powerless with this Magician in reverse. The Magician is a very powerful manifester. Number one is about manifesting a new beginning. And you feel powerless at the moment in manifesting a new beginning here with your twin flame or soulmate. Powerless in actually changing this. This is why you are, and I feel this powerlessness is coming from the fact that you are trying to find a way to actually do this, and I feel that blocked energy. You are blocked, you are unable to do this right now, but you are working on it. You are trying to find a way to change it and to actually manifest a new beginning, but feeling powerless right now. Alright, and again, yes, feeling powerless in manifesting that new beginning, that passionate, divine gift of your twin flame, that new beginning with them. Feeling powerless in actually making that offer of your flame to them, making that passionate offer, that new beginning. Um, and I do feel there's somehow a bit block. Yeah, you're either blocked, or there's a big emotional block going on here. And then you receive the Page of Wands, which is very interesting to me because the Temperance card is a very strong, very mature kind of energy. And the Page of Wands is something completely different. Pages are messengers for sure, so I do feel you do want to bring a message to your person, but yeah, there's somehow that is blocked. You're unable to bring a message. Um, but what I pick up from this, you might be much younger. There might be a big age difference here, Capricorn, that you are the much younger one in this connection with this page. But the Page of Wands is rebellious. She doesn't take authority. She wants to play. She wants to have fun. She wants adventure. She doesn't want to take responsibility. But that is kind of not the energy that I'm picking up from you. What I feel here is there might be other people involved here, and I already picked it up in this a magician. You can see there's a lot of people there at the back. Kind of looks like they're giving their opinions and things like that. So I feel like there might be people around you, family, friends, or whatever, that is not approving of this connection. And you are rebelling against that. You are not listening to those opinions anymore. You might have in the past, and that might have been a big obstacle in this connection. And that could have been the cause of the breakup or separation. And you are rebelling against that. You're not listening to that anymore. You kind of want to be free and free spirited, like this Page of Wands, and just absolutely do what you want to do. And you obviously find a lot of joy and fun and adventure with your twin flame or soulmates, and this is what you want, and you're not you're not going to listen. You're not going to listen to the opinions of others anymore here. You are stepping into these energies of this temperance, I feel unable to control your temptation to be with your twin flame or soulmate, unable to control the temptation to change the situation, unable to control the situation or the balance, or unable to control your temptation to bring a balance between you and your twin flame or soulmate here. All right, you do want to move this connection forward with the Six of Swords. Six is true love. There's a stormy situation there at the back. There was a big stormy situation that went down here between you and your twin flame or soulmate, and you'd want to row this boat towards better waters. Your vision is obstructed at the moment on how to actually do this, but you are very determined to do that. And even though this boat is rowing very slowly, it is moving away from what happened in the past, and it is going towards something better. And this is definitely what you want to do. You want to move this connection forward and to a better place here with the Six of Swords. And not just a better place. You want a solid commitment with a honeymoon card. Honeymoon is after marriage, so that is a long term, that is a solid commitment, and that is just sucking into that energies of love, and really just enjoy time together. You can see the angel is rowing this boat away, and this is what you want. This is what you want with your twin flame or soulmate. There's so much love in this connection. You want to really suck into that, and not be bothered by anything else anymore, I feel. Alright, and then the last card that came out for you was the Sun card, and yes, I do pick up on a masculine energy here. Whether you are male or female, that doesn't matter. This is about a masculine inner child that is healing, that I feel here. So you are currently going through an inner child healing, and there might be children involved somewhere in this connection for some of you. But what I also feel here is just that freedom of a child, that playfulness of a child, that innocence of a child. And I feel like this is how you feel when you are with your twin flame or soulmate. You feel young and in awe, and just really, really feel this deep sense of peace and tranquility and youthfulness in your spirit, and innocence. There's a lot of innocence in this connection, and this is what you want with this Sun card over here. I'm going to leave it there, Capricorn. Remember to check the description box below for information on my private services, as well as get my specials on Facebook and Instagram. Everything is down below. And like, share, and subscribe for me, please, so I can get to that 1,000 subscribers. And I will see you in the next video. Namaste, Capricorn.